Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will teach you how to do custom tiling on the wall with different sizes. Okay, this one got 3 sizes, big one, medium and small. Okay, first go to customize and go inside tiling function. Okay, double click on the wall here. Alright, then go to tile library. Okay, you can select and choose tile pattern inside here. Okay, let's say I choose this one. Okay, then drag it inside the wall. Okay, drag another one. Then this one you can cut it into half. Okay, cut it half. Then change the size. Here I change the width to 400. Okay, then you can adjust the position. Okay, next drag another tile, this one for the smaller size. Okay, cut it into half, then change the size to 200. And then adjust the position. Okay, this one you can zoom a bit to see whether it has space between the tiles. Okay, make sure you don't have gap. Okay, close the gap here, move it closer. This one also move it closer. Okay, we don't want the gap. Alright, then select the first tile here, click control button, hold the control button, okay, and then select the other 2 tiles, right click, then spread. Or you can press the F button for the shortcut key for spread. Okay, then return. This is how it looks like. Okay, you guys can try it out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you guys.